Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Yesterday we sharpened the spine of this Mora Companion stainless, and I didn't get to show you what a great scraper it is all that much. Just a few seconds of scraping that oak. Let's go ahead and bust into this pine knot, quarter it up, and do some scraping. That thing is sharp and it has a burr like I like to have. And let's take a look at the logo. Here's a pine knot that I picked up this morning. Let's see what's inside of it. You want to get that fatwood off the spine. I'm going to show you that. Nice, fluffy, highly resinous scrapings. And here's our fatwood. Like I always tell you, clean that spine off before you go to use the ferro rod. And we'll put this piece under the fire table, use it at a later date. Keychain ferro rod. It is a bayite. It's 3 1/8 inches long by 5/16 in diameter. Let's scrape up another piece. And I'll store this piece under the fire table also. You see all these big wide sheets of fatwood? That is a great scraper. And the surfaces on this are not conducive to scraping, but we're gonna force the issue. So I hope that you'll check out yesterday's video where I showed you how to sharpen these spines up and go ahead and work on your Mora companion spine. Doesn't matter if it's carbon steel or stainless like mine. You do need to turn it into a super scraper. Let's go ahead and make a pretty good fire out of this. All right. Now this looks like a lot of material, but it's just fluffed up. There is not a lot of mass there, but it should be enough to go ahead and ignite these Fatwood sticks. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.